Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how to add location on Instagram story. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram app on my phone. Then before we add location to our story, we have to create the story first, and we can click on story button right here to upload a story. And I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery. So this is the photo that I want to upload. Just tap on the photo. And then after that, if we want to add location to the story, we can click on the sticker button. And there will be a lot of options we can choose, and since we want to add location, so just tap on location right here. Then we can select a location. We can search for the location by clicking on this search option, but we can also choose the location that has been available right here, and I'm just going to choose this location. So I'm going to click on this location. Alright, as you can see that the location has been added to this Instagram story, and we can tap and hold on the location to place the location to the part of the story that we like. And I'm going to place this location right here, and we can also zoom in or zoom out using both of our fingers right like this. And after that, we can click on your story to share this story. Alright guys, and that's how we can add location on Instagram story. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.